Hi guys, this is Becky with Miss B Group Travel. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. On this channel, we talk all things travel related, which is recommendations, reviews, and tips. Today's video is my tips on what to pack, for example, a 3-day weekend away. Of course, you could adjust this to depending on the country that you're visiting and what activities you're going to undertake. However, this is just a general guideline. So do hit us up in the comments to let me know if this is similar to you, what else that you would add. And of course, if you like our content, do consider subscribing for more content just like this. Enjoy. Before I dive in, the following items that I am going to recommend are a basic packing list for a weekend getaway. Right, I'm going to start with the clothing. So for clothing, you want to look for 2 to 3 sets of underwear or socks. Number 2, you want pajamas or sleepwear. If you sleep, in a t-shirt, that's absolutely fine. Then, put that in. Number 3, you want some t-shirts or blouses. You might need 2 or 3 of these. Remember, you may need to change out of your travel clothes, especially if you've got an early flight and you're going out later in the evening. So just account for that. So your travel clothes are not included in this list. Okay, number 4, pants or shorts, depending on the season. So you want to get trousers, jeans, leggings, depending on your destination as well. Number 5, a sweater or a light jacket for cooler evenings. Of course, if you're going to a cold destination, then obviously your coat. Okay. Number 6, comfortable walking shoes or trainers or sneakers. I use the airport a lot. That sometimes you clock in about 5,000-6,000 steps to the airport alone before you even arrive at your destination. So you want some comfortable shoes, and I would suggest trainers for walking around, and then once you've reached your destination, some comfortable shoes to suit whatever your style. And again, I would take 2 of these pairs if you can. Number 7, casual or a dressier outfit for evenings out if needed. Number 8, a swimsuit if it's relevant. You might be going to a cold destination, but the hotel you've chosen may have an indoor swimming pool, a sauna, or a spa, so a swimsuit or swimwear will come in handy. Number 9, a hat or a cap. Cap to help protect you from the sun. I've worn a hat on the plane when it's really been cold, and I've thought, I'm going to put a hat, and that was it. The number 10, I would say, is a scarf as well. A scarf and sunglasses. Okay, you can use sunglasses even if it's not that hot, but you can use the sunglasses to shield you even when you go skiing. Number 11 is toiletries. So toiletries and toothpaste. Hotels have these, but you may have your own preferred brand that you prefer to use, and just in case they don't have that, then just pack a little one for yourself. Shampoo and conditioner, same as toothbrush and toiletry. Travel sized shampoo and conditioner will do. Not a lot of people carry soap or body wash, but it is a suggestion. You may want to take a small bar of soap if you must, or your own body wash. Right, the next one, deodorant. Yes, I know we have 50 ml deodorant or perfume. I know at the moment there's a 50 ml limit, but you can get lower ones or travel size deodorant. For men, razor and shaving cream. It's not guaranteed your destination is going to have these, so I would just pop that in. A hairbrush or a comb. Okay. Next item, moisturizer or lotion. Again, the hotels do provide these, but some of them are not to the standard that you're used to, or may not give you that moisturization. Remember, they normally put a general moisturizer out, and if you're one with oily or very dry skin, you might have a specific one that you want, so get your own moisturizer or lotion. Makeup if required. Travel sized first aid kit with band-aid, pain relief, paracetamol. Prescription medication if applicable do not forget your prescription medication. The next thing I'm going to talk about is accessories. Of course, your watch and jewellery if desired, a belt if needed, hand sanitizer, a reusable water bottle, your chargers for electronic devices, and I've done a video before with my recommendations for travel electronic gadgets, so do check it out in the link below. The next item is a travel size laundry bag for dirty clothes. I know some people use plastic bags, but I use travel packing cubes, so I designate one of those for my dirty clothes. Travel guidebooks or maps. Now, we use a lot of digitalized info at the moment, but there's no harm in popping into your local library and getting a small guidebook of the area you're going, just in case your electronic gadgets let you down. Right, the next item is an entertainment, a book, e-reader or a magazine. You might need this on the plane, or if you're going to be on the beach, or or even just in your hotel room, just for some downtime. Okay, next item is a travel pillow. So that helps you for a comfortable journey. But not just that, there's so many travel pillows out there now which are collapsible and you can blow it up. That way it's not going to take a lot of space in your luggage. A travel backpack or a tote bag for day trips. Now, you also may be traveling with cabin bag only. There's no harm in putting some of your items in your cabin bag in a travel backpack. When you're out and about, on your weekend, you can take that out and use a smaller bag to put your bits and bobs if you're not taking your handbag, for us ladies. And for the gentlemen, it's just cool. You just put it on your back and off you go. Okay, and then of course the most important stuff that you don't want to forget is your personal identification documentations, which is your passport and your ID, travel itinerary information and reservations. I always print a copy just in case my electronic gadget lets me down or in case it gets lost. Your wallet with cash and debit or credit cards, snacks or energy bars, reusable shopping bags for souvenirs and groceries. Again, these are little and will save you some time. Travel adapters and chargers, especially if you're traveling internationally. Again, I have a video that I linked about my recommendations of what travel gadgets to get. So do check it out and let me know in your comments below. I'll also put a few of these links or these products down in the comments below so you can build your own travel accessories pack. Okay, earplugs for a good night's sleep, not just at your destination, but sometimes on the plane you might need some good night's sleep. Insect repellent. If you're going to a mosquito prone area, do not forget your insect repellent. Lastly, a travel-sized umbrella. Sometimes if rain is expected, you might need it, but also if you're going to a very, 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 very hot destination, a little travel-sized umbrella will help shield you a little bit from the sun. Okay, now remember to adjust this list based on your specific activities that you're undertaking at the destination, the weather conditions for that weekend getaway, but try and keep it minimal and versatile to make your packing life easier. I would definitely, all of these items that I've mentioned do fit into your cabin bag if you pack appropriately. I use packing cubes and they still fit into my cabin bag. So I would love to hear from you what you would pack for a weekend away, but I hope this weekend packing list helps you, and I've detailed all of this in the comments below so you can just copy and paste and tick off. But happy traveling!